Welcome to Fostering Resilience and today's Inner Child Healing Meditation. 10 minutes to a more loving relationship with yourself. Let's begin. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. And as you exhale, slowly through your mouth, just imagine all the tension from your day melting away. Take another deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Let your body feel heavy and relaxed. Allow your jaw to soften, your shoulders to drop, and your hands to rest gently in your lap or by your sides. Just be here, in this moment, completely safe and at peace. Now, in your mind's eye, picture a beautiful, peaceful place. This is your safe space. Maybe it's a sunny field, a quiet beach with gentle waves, or a cozy room with a warm fireplace. Notice the details, the colors, the light, the textures. Feel the sense of complete safety and calm that fills this space. You are protected here. As you settle into this peaceful scene, imagine yourself walking down a gentle path. Ahead of you, you see a small child. As you get closer, you realize it's you, a younger you. It might be a specific age you remember, or just a general sense of your younger self. Just watch this child for a moment. Don't try to change a thing. Notice what they're wearing, the look on their face, how they're holding their body. What emotion do you sense from them? Are they happy and playful? Or do they seem lonely, sad, or scared? Whatever you see, just accept it with no judgment at all. Now imagine your wise, loving adult self slowly walking toward this child. Kneel down to their eye level. Offer them a gentle, warm smile. Let your entire presence be one of complete acceptance and love. With a soft, kind voice, say to them, either out loud or just in your mind, I see you. I'm here now. Ask your inner child a simple question. How are you feeling? Or what do you need? And then just listen. Listen with your whole heart. Let whatever feelings or memories that come up just be there. This child might not have words. They might just show you a feeling, a wave of sadness, a flicker of fear, a deep longing for a hug. Your only job is to witness it with compassion. Now offer this child the words they've always needed to hear. Say to them, I hear you. Your feelings matter. and it's okay to feel them. If they seem sad, you could say, "I'm so sorry you had to go through that. It wasn't your fault." If they look scared, you could say, "You're safe now. I'm here and I will protect you." And now, speak the most important words of all. I love you. I will always be here for you. You are worthy of love exactly as you are. Imagine opening your arms and offering your inner child a warm, loving hug. Feel them step into your embrace. Hold them close. Feel that connection between your adult self and this precious younger part of you. Let them feel completely safe and cherished in your arms. This is a moment of deep healing. You are giving yourself the comfort you may have longed for. Stay here in this embrace for a few moments, just breathing together. Now, as you hold them, imagine this child filled with your love and reassurance, beginning to merge with you. Feel them becoming a warm, glowing light right in the center of your heart. They are no longer a separate, wounded part of you, but an integrated, loved part of your wholeness. You now carry their joy, their creativity, and their spirit within you, protected and safe within your heart. You are whole. You are complete. You are love. Take a gentle, deep breath in, feeling that sense of wholeness in your chest, and exhale. When you're ready, you can slowly start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently waking your body up. Feel the surface beneath you, grounding you back into the present moment. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. What you just did was incredibly powerful. You took a conscious step to acknowledge and nurture a part of yourself that needed you. You've started to build a new, compassionate inner voice, gently rewiring those old patterns of self-criticism. This isn't a one-time fix, but a practice of love you can come back to at any time you need it. You can do this in the morning, before bed, or at any time you feel that old ache of not being good enough. Healing is a journey, and every single act of self-compassion is a step forward. Be patient with yourself. Be gentle with yourself. You are learning to be the loving parent you always deserved. Let this be your final thought, your affirmation for the rest of the day. You are lovable. You are worthy. You are enough right now, exactly as you are. Namaste.